Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating the box and confirming 0 volts, safety first. Once power is off, photograph and label every wire so you can restore original routing. Make sure you have an insulated screwdriver, multimeter, replacement fuse, and contact cleaner at hand. Now remove the cover screws and set them aside. As you open the box, watch for loose components and burned areas. These early observations guide the next steps. You'll act deliberately, not rushed, because accurate documentation prevents errors when you reconnect. You now perform targeted diagnostics, visually inspect for heat damage and check connector tightness. Why? Because most failures start with poor connections. Use the multimeter to confirm incoming, supply voltage and ground continuity. If a fuse reads open, replace it. Once you locate a bad capacitor or corroded terminal, remove and replace with an exact spec part. Make sure polarity and ratings match. Clean contact surfaces with contact cleaner and retorque terminals to specified values. You finish by reassembling the enclosure and restoring wiring exactly as documented. This prevents miswiring. Once done, power up the box and watch status LEDs and measure voltages during the first 5-10 minutes to catch intermittent faults. If systems remain unstable, shut down and recheck connections and component seating. Make sure to test under normal load conditions. One key troubleshooting tip: if the error repeats, systematically swap suspect modules one at a time. This isolates the defective unit without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.